The U-shaped stud, U-track, is a fundamental structural component, widely used in modern light steel framing systems, particularly for interior partition walls, ceiling frameworks, and drywall support structures. Its precise geometry provides stable alignment for C-studs, ensuring excellent rigidity, fast installation, and long-term performance in commercial buildings, residential projects, and industrial facilities. Zhongtuo fully automatic high-speed U-track roll forming line is engineered to meet the growing demand for efficient and customizable wall system components. The line features servo tracking cutting, automatic stacking, and automatic strapping, enabling continuous production with only one operator. With a PLC control system, operators can freely switch sizes and preset parameters, achieving a high degree of automation and operational flexibility. U-track dimensions can also be customized according to client drawings, ensuring compatibility with regional standards and project-specific requirements. Combining speed, precision, and intelligent control, this production line provides a reliable solution for large-volume U-track manufacturing, while supporting diverse applications in global building and construction industries.